December 26, 2010. This is today's climate change update. What you're looking at is a picture I found on Ice Age Now. It's a stop global warming sign covered in snow. So let's start today in China, shall we? Back that up a little bit. Cave-in forces over 800 to evacuate in eastern China. Now we had a big sinkhole happen, and apparently 800 villagers had to be evacuated. The diameter is 50 meters wide with a maximum depth of 5 meters. So that's a pretty big hole in a short time. That's yet another big sinkhole. Hold on, we're back in... This is the Extinction Protocol. Okay, let's go ahead and start with Australia experiences wettest season on record, way over double their normal amounts of rainfall in December. They still got a few days to go, and there's still some rain to go, and that's affecting their crops and everything else. Arctic air brings ice and record temperatures to much of the globe. Now this goes on about all the blizzards and stuff going on with the jet stream, the Moscow airport closure due to ice and all that, and of course the big event that's going up and down the east coast of the United States and the east coast of Canada right now. Now here's a good one. Earthquake cluster strikes New Zealand. Now my New Zealand subscribers pay close attention to this story. Brings a volcanic omen. Now the story goes you had a 4.9 earthquake today and power outage, but nobody was hurt. Now I highly recommend you watch this video. The YouTube channel is WEATHERORNUT, and I will post the link below. It is an outstanding volcanic look at New Zealand and what's going on with the volcanoes there right now. And for sure want to watch that. The sun goes spotless for the 6th consecutive day I've been watching this. Earthquakes or ice to follow. So definitely the sun affects what happens on Earth as far as the weather goes. And of course we all have been following that fairly closely. Mini ice age cometh. Unusually heavy snowfall shuts Moscow airport. That's where it said it snowed heavy, turned to rain, turned to ice, and just made a huge mess for everybody. And they're used to this kind of weather. There's a big aftershock after the Vanuatu. That's the 7.4 that happened yesterday. And still more quakes go on. Right about the 10-kilometer depth, too. It's been pretty active. And again, that's the dangerous blizzard up and down the east coast of the United States and Canada. Here's a good picture. Indonesia volcano blows as quake grips Pacific Ring of Fire. Now this is Mount Bromo, and it's going off again. New planetary tremors put Earth at risk of lurch event. Now this is definitely an interesting read. It's basically saying that we're due to have some pretty big quakes, and if that doesn't happen we can have a big lurch, like the whole crust shifts at once with the mountain range makes all at once kind of thing, and all that badness. Partial glaciation of the planet coming to a hemisphere near you, and again this is getting into the Ice Age stuff and some of the research that's going on with that. And that's it for that one. Let's go to the living planet. And again, they're going to start with the Vanuatu earthquake, 7.3, and 6 to 10 inches of snow for New York City. This is the odd earthquake still going on in Arkansas, and they definitely think that's going on with the mining or the natural gas. That's where they had a tsunami warning for the 7.3 quake that didn't happen. 6.2 aftershock. There's the Moscow airport story. Big East Coast storm. Young female chimpanzees play with dolls. And Ice Age Mid-Atlantic storm. Canada Vancouver Island resort gets record snowfall. And of course Ice Age Now, monster storm, snowcast, blizzards. A record snowfall in North Carolina, Alabama on the 25th. UK December set to be the coldest in a century in the United Kingdom. That was yesterday. Coldest winter in 130 years in Ireland. They have photos attached. Italian geologist thinks the way I do as far as there's an ice age coming. Ireland cold snap kills cows, sheep, pigs, and young salmon. And Atlanta set for the first white Christmas in 129 years. Christmas Day, coldest ever in the United Kingdom. Paris terminal evacuated to snow on the roof, collapse, that kind of thing. All kinds of fun things going on with the weather right now. Definitely check out those websites. I'll provide the links below. And enjoy while you can.